manage it.
My beautiful country, them a damage.
God bless Jamaica.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, wherever you are in the world. Big up all of my fans on the platform. You know, Wednesday morning, we say give thanks to life. Yeah, man, so you know the man of peace, though. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Give thanks for your continuous support. Gratitude is a must. You see it? Yeah, man, so I don't have a new song right now. I'm sure to do no. You see me? It's not released yet, but it's going to release. So I give it free of cost. Anybody want me send it to on the email, WhatsApp, link me up. Zane, I'm going to send the song to you. You see me? I say, because we have sung them enough in abundance right now. We just put them out. You see me? I say, I'm going to see how talented and we can get uplifted and inspired and motivated. You see me? I say, yeah, man, so that song is titled What's Wrong with Humanity? You see me? I did ask no opinion. I don't know. Some people say call it What's Wrong with Humanity. Some people say God bless Jamaica. But most people them say humanity. You see me? So give thanks for the support and keep me inspired and motivated as well. You see it? So listen to the song and please like and share the content. Share it. Say it. Blessed. Fix up on yourself, my fellow Jamaicans from the ground. Why don't you run down? What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them soul for vanity? Young and old pick up things but they bed and can't manage it. The beautiful country them a damage it. God bless Jamaica. I am a proud Jamaican. Me love my country but I'm worried for the nation. No good examples now set no foundation. The future looks sticky for this and the next generation. The schoolers them last motivation, concentration. Them say fully done so for education. Them turn them back on them morals and reputation. I'm annoyed, me ashamed, me frustration. What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them soul for vanity? Young and old pick up things but they made and can't manage it. The beautiful country them a damage it. God bless Jamaica. It's like no one no love no one again. Sisters are pre-sisters, brothers are pre-brothers and them friend. All who no bow out and no will out me and them. Yes, me have to praise myself because I am one of them. Man a kill for the money, woman a sell them body. Daughters and sons are pre-mom and daddy. The mindset of the people them dirty and shabby. Can someone please answer me? What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them soul for vanity? Young and old pick up things but they bed and can't manage it. The beautiful country them a damage it. Oh, yeah. What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them soul for vanity? Young and old pick up things but they bed and can't manage it.
My beautiful country, them a damage.
God bless Jamaica.